Turkish leader arrives in Qatar for meetings with Amir. Turkish Erdogan to meets Qatari Amir Al Thani, also expected to visit Qatar-Turkey Combined Joint Force Command. Turkey-Qatar Force Command serves stability of region. Turkish president visits Turkish troops in Qatar's capital Doha. Israel set to expel HRW director. Israel accuses Shakir of supporting boycott, divestment and sanctions movement, which Israel criminalized. Russia-backed Syrian regime strikes killed 3 civilians. 5 civilians injured in Idlib. Mosque and hospital suffered heavy damage. Syria, 100 civilians killed, 50,000 displaced in 25 days. Displaced people migrated to areas cleared of terrorists by Turkey with Eruptor Shield and Olive Branch operations. Egypt court sentences 7 to death for police attack. Defendants were accused of attacking police vehicle in 2016. Far-right extremists sent bomb threat to Berlin mosque. Mosque official called police after getting bomb threat from terrorist group Compact 18. Muslim woman stopping anti-Semitic attack praised as hero. Muslim woman confronts man abusing Jewish family on London Underground train. Indonesia to discuss defense cooperation with Turkey. Minister Brahmawo Suminto to meet Turkish counterpart Hulusi Akar in Ankara on Tuesday. Documents shed light on China's Uyghur internment camps. Leaked file from China's Communist Party shows terrifying overwhelming dystopia in Xinjiang. Blast killed UN employees in Afghanistan. UN vehicle was attacked with hand grenade in capital Kabul. Pakistan, former president accused of money laundering. Case filed against Asif Zardari along with his sister for laundering around $300 million. Charges he dunes.